Hey guys, it's Matt with Verizon Connect, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to streamline your maintenance scheduling. With fleet service maintenance, you'll know when vehicles are due for service without needing to track engine hours on a whiteboard. You'll know what services need to be done, which are overdue, and which vehicles are costing you money. Okay, let's start by scheduling an oil change. I'll schedule this service for all of my flatbed trucks. We can set the timing for this service in 3 ways: by engine hours, miles driven, or by number of days. Let's schedule this oil change for every 5,000 miles. We can use a combination here if we need to. For example, vehicles like bucket trucks are often left idling while the lift is in use. In that case, we can use miles and then set an engine hour limit as well. This way, if the lift has a lot of use, but the truck miles are low, the vehicle will still be serviced at the right time. Okay, next I'll set a reminder to fire 200 miles before the oil change is due, so my driver has plenty of time to get the vehicle back to the shop. I'll notify the driver via text message and myself via email as a reminder, and I'll email my mechanic to get this vehicle on the list for an upcoming service. And we're done. Now when any of our trucks are due for an oil change, the right people will be notified. All right, let's take a look at our reminder list to see which vehicles are almost due for a service. Any of these that are overdue will be marked in red. Notice that this tire rotation is overdue by 83 miles. This was actually done today, so to complete this service, let's click here. Now, simply update the odometer reading, engine hours, where it was serviced, and how much it cost. The schedule will reset automatically, so we're all done here. We can also record a one-time service for things we haven't planned for, like replacing a windshield. If you see a driver that's had a lot of one-time services like this, you might want to have a conversation about it. Finally, if we want to see a service history for our vehicles, we can check out the History tab. And if we want to dive deeper, then check out the Vehicle Maintenance Report. Like any of our reports, these can be scheduled to run on a regular basis so the right people are seeing them at the right time. The best part about fleet service maintenance is that it gets rid of all the manual paperwork, spreadsheets, and whiteboards. Digital reminders will be sent to any device through text or email, making sure your vehicle's maintenance is done on time and at the correct interval. Next up, visualize trends and take control of your bottom line using dashboards.